Hello friends, welcome to my channel and I hope you guys are doing well. This is the reading for Pisces for the month of July 2020 love reading, and this is for Pisces Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and anyone who is drawn towards this reading. And I would like to clear that this is a general reading, so this may not resonate with everyone, every Pisces. So take whatever resonates and rest leave. Okay, I have already shuffled the cards and have laid them out. I will first see how the Pisces are feeling in their love life, okay, and then I will move on to your person's reading. How is your person feeling in this present connection? Okay, so let's move on to your reading, Pisces. I will do the process of clarification side by side wherever needed. Fine, so let's move on. So the overall energy which I am getting from your reading, Pisces, is that you guys are currently dealing with many people. Okay, so what I'm feeling here is that you're not sure about whom to move forward with, right? So your recent past is showing me that you were dealing with a person who was younger than you, male or female, does not matter, Jack of Clubs energy, who was really very creative, very inspiring to you, and you used to treat them like a love buddy, a kid, okay, and they were really powerful. But I am not saying that you are moving with this person. So maybe for you this person was more like a child. He was a good-hearted person, inspiring, creative, motivating, supporting, powerful, but there was something you were not satisfied with this person, okay, and so you just left them in their past, and presently you are dealing with this King of Clubs energy. So you want someone who is elder than you, okay, because you don't want to treat any more kids, okay, so you want someone mature, someone you can share your dreams with, someone who can take care of you as well, okay, not only that you have to take care of them. So you want someone who is bigger than you so that they can take care of you as well, and you can take care of them, and both of you can take care of each other, right? So you want a mature person and a working person, a well-established person in their life, in professional career, a person who is really confident about moving in a relationship with, who is stable in their life, okay. So you want such a person, and you are currently dealing with such a person. But what I'm feeling here is that although you are dating a person the way you want, okay, he is exactly what you are looking for, but still you are not satisfied, okay. Why I'm saying this word satisfaction is that because at the bottom of the deck we have the Nine of Hearts, okay, which is a card of satisfaction and joy, which is you are looking for. So in a relationship you are looking for some sort of satisfaction, okay, from your love relationships. But the problem here is, Pisces, that you yourself are not aware what will make you satisfied, okay. So because this Jack of Clubs energy was also a good option, right? Jack of Clubs with the Ace of Clubs was a really good option for you, and this King of Clubs is even better option for you. But you are not satisfied, Pisces. There is something which you are craving for, which you are not finding in any of these people which you are meeting, right? But what I see in the immediate and the near future is that after rejecting these two people, okay, you are jumping in relationship with this Jack of Diamonds energy, okay. This person is also younger than you, but this person is really clever. He has some sort of magnetism, some sort of attraction, a real good charm, and you are not able to ignore them, okay? And you are starting a casual relationship with this person, Jack of Diamonds. So maybe this you were looking for, Pisces, okay? And without a thought, you just jumped into this casual relationship with this person, Jack of Diamonds, okay? So maybe you were looking for someone younger, but someone interesting, okay? So which you found, or you will find, in this Jack of Diamond energy, okay? So it is not about the age, it's not about the experience, it's not about the professional success which you are craving for. It is something which you yourself know, Pisces, that you are craving for, and you are getting satisfaction from this Jack of Diamonds. This person is someone who is really really clever, okay? They know how to attract people, they know how to bring them down to their knees. They are really good in love, they are really good in flattering, okay? And maybe you are attracted to this person, Pisces, okay? So let's move on to your person's reading, which is this Jack of Diamonds, okay? So how is this person feeling with whom you have just started a relationship casually, okay? So what I'm feeling here in their recent past is that this Jack of Diamond person have someone else in their life, okay, which is this Jack of Spades energy, okay? And this Jack of Spades energy is worse than this Jack of Diamonds energy, okay? So the person they are dealing with, so this Jack of Diamond energy, they're already dealing with someone else in their life which they didn't tell you, okay? And they just started a relationship with you, or you started a relationship with them, and they didn't tell you that they have someone else in their life who has just entered in their life. So this is a reconciliation in their life. Before starting a relationship with you, they just had someone else coming back into their life, which is Jack of Spades, okay? So, and presently, how are they feeling? They are confused. So they are totally confused, Pisces, okay, that what they should do, because maybe they were waiting for this person in their life to come back, and this person came back in their life, right? But suddenly you came into their life and they are confused, right? So what I see in their immediate future is that they want to go with you, because obviously you seem to be a really good option to them, Pisces, compared to this Jack of Spades energy, this person is just equal to Jack of Diamonds, or can be worse, okay? But you are Queen of Hearts, which is, they see you as a Queen of Hearts, okay? A source of unconditional love, support, and someone who is really mature to deal with stuffs. So they want to choose you and they want to go with you, but they also see some hidden troubles, and this hidden trouble is this person, okay, which has just entered back into their life, right? So they want to go with you, they want to choose you, they want to have this love with you, they want to take this relationship from casual relationship to a higher commitment, okay? They want to have dreams with you, their future dreams with you, but in their head they also have this hidden trouble because of this person, and they want things to get clear, okay? So we will just have a clarification over this, Pisces, that what's the message from Divine and Universe for you, for the two of you in this connection. So what is the message for Pisces and their person in this connection for the month of July 2020 in their love matters? So what is the important messages they should hear? Okay, so we will see. Okay, so we have the card of Tower, and we have the card of Four of Clubs. So this is showing me that there was some sort of instability between the two of you, and you both were unstable in your life. Okay, you were unstable, you were not sure what you wanted from life, they were not sure what they wanted from their life, and suddenly you just met and things happened. Okay, and now you are realizing that yes, you want this person, and they are realizing that yes, they want you. But now you have to clean that mess which you have already created in your past. Okay, and which you are already carrying those mess and baggages with you, because you want to start with this person in a clear manner. Okay, you don't want to take any baggage with you. So what the message here is that you need to bring stability, Pisces, and your person, both of you need to bring stability in your life, in your thoughts, in your ideas, in how you think, how you communicate, in whatever way. Okay, so you first need to stabilize yourself, and then there will be a moment of Tower when everything will change for better. Okay, so the Tower will bring the change for the two of you. So let's see how will this change be, okay, for the two of you. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is that after this Tower moment, you guys will stabilize yourself in your respective lives and in the hearts of each other. And I'm seeing here a lot of enthusiasm. Okay, so this Jack of Clubs is a card which tells you that you both will, after these two events, after this Tower event and after you gain the stability, the things will run like anything. Okay, you will be so enthusiastic towards your life and each other and your goals that everything you have once desired to do and to have will certainly have. Okay, so this relationship will prove to you a real partnership. Okay, so what I'm feeling here is that it's good that you rejected these two people and you jumped. The destiny brought you together, but you need to clear some mess before moving on forward, and this will be cleared with the help of this Tower. So divine and universe is with you, both of you. Okay, and after this you will get the clarity and stability, and then you will move in your life forward together enthusiastically. Okay, you will work together to achieve your goals in every sphere of your life. So I think this is a really wonderful reading. I have not thought that this reading will go like this in a really good manner. When I started, I thought that what you guys are doing, why are you rejecting this Jack of Clubs, King of Clubs, and you are going with this Jack of Diamonds? But now everything is getting clear, Pisces. Okay, so it's a really wonderful reading for you guys, and I really enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed it well. Take care, guys. Love you. Until the next video, take care of yourself and everyone around you. So see you guys. Love you. Take care. Bye bye.